Hi everybody, it's 12:30 and 45 seconds on September 26th. This is mini number 4 for House of Secrets 92 and Strange Tales 1. I believe we're only going to need one final small mini after this to close it out, okay? Well, in this one, here are the 24 filled spots. Whoever comes in first place in this mini will win the first 4 available open spots in the main. Whoever comes in second place in this mini will get the next 2 available spots. So let's roll our 3 dice. The number is 9. It's randomized 9 times. Name at the top of the list gets the first 4. Second name gets the next 2. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And here comes the final one. 9. Spot 6, Aaron Grant. And then spot 11, Jose Hernandez. Congratulations. Time is 12:31 and 48